This is the car nobody saw coming. A legendary Honda name from the 1960s revived for 2026. And if these rumors are real, the new Honda S800 might be one of the most exciting small sports cars Honda has ever built. Let's talk about the design, because this thing looks stunning. Up front, the 2026 S800 features a full-width LED light bar, ultra-slim headlights, an illuminated Honda badge centered in the grille, low, wide, and aggressive. This looks like a modern Japanese sports coupe, not a retro gimmick. From the side, long hood, short rear deck, low roofline. These are classic sports car proportions, clearly inspired by old school roadsters. At the rear, full width LED taillights, aggressive diffuser, wide stance. The vibe? Think Mazda MX-5 meets Acura NSX, but smaller, lighter, and more affordable. Inside, Honda keeps it clean and focused. The interior rumors suggest fully digital gauge cluster, wide infotainment display, red ambient lighting, flat bottom steering wheel. This is not a luxury car. This is a driver's cockpit. Low seating position, wraparound dashboard, minimal clutter. Everything is designed to keep the driver connected to the road. Now let's get to the most exciting part. According to multiple sources, the 2026 Honda S800 could feature 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4, mild hybrid assist, estimated output 200 to 230 horsepower, rear-wheel drive 6-speed manual or dual-clutch automatic, estimated curb weight under 2,900 pounds, around 1,300 kilograms. And that combination means one thing. This car isn't about straight line speed. It's about fun. Honda wants this car to be accessible. Rumored pricing, $30,000 to $35,000 US dollars. At that price point, the S800 would deliver turbo power, RWD, lightweight chassis. That's a dangerous combo for competitors. If the 2026 Honda S800 becomes reality, its rivals will include Mazda MX-5 Miata, Toyota GR86, Subaru BRZ entry-level BMW Z4. But Honda's advantage? Legendary reliability, modern tech, and a design that actually turns heads. Honda hasn't confirmed anything yet. But consider this. Retro-inspired sports cars are trending. Small, lightweight performance cars are making a comeback. Honda needs a new emotional halo car. So don't be surprised if this concept turns into a production model very soon. So here's the real question. Would you take a manual 2026 Honda S800 over a Miata or GR86? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy future car rumors, leaks, and concept breakdowns, Make sure to subscribe. More rumors are coming.